Nvidia has just unveiled an AI strategy worth $500 billion, and it could reshape the future of technology forever. We're not talking about just faster graphics cards or better gaming chips. We're talking about the foundation for the next decade of artificial intelligence, robotics, autonomous systems, and global computing power. This isn't just a business plan. It's a blueprint for how Nvidia wants to control the future of AI itself. Let's start with the headline. $500 billion. That's the scale of Nvidia's new AI infrastructure push. The company is pouring resources into building massive data centers, custom AI chips, and global partnerships that will make its technology unavoidable. Right now, almost every major AI model, from ChatGPT to Gemini to Claude, runs on Nvidia GPUs. But Nvidia doesn't want to just be the supplier of hardware. It wants to own the full stack of AI, from chips to software to services to the cloud. One of the key pillars of this plan is AI factories. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang has been calling data centers the new factories of the modern era. Instead of producing steel or cars, they produce intelligence. These AI factories are designed to train massive models, simulate complex environments, and generate the data that powers autonomous systems. The $500 billion investment is aimed at scaling these AI factories worldwide, ensuring that if a company needs to build or run AI, they'll do it with Nvidia. Another piece of the plan is hardware dominance. Nvidia's H100 and upcoming B100 chips are already the gold standard for AI training. But the company is moving beyond GPUs. It's building specialized chips for inference, networking, and even robotics. That means Nvidia doesn't just want to power AI training in the lab. It wants to power AI in real-world products, from self-driving cars to humanoid robots to smart factories. This expansion puts Nvidia directly in competition with Intel, AMD, and even custom AI chips from companies like Google and Apple. Then there's software. Nvidia's CUDA platform has already locked in developers for years, but the new strategy pushes deeper into AI frameworks and tools. With things like Nvidia Omniverse, the company is creating virtual environments where AI models can be trained, tested, and deployed before they ever touch the real world. For robotics and autonomous systems, that's a game changer. Companies can simulate millions of hours of training data in a safe, controlled environment, all powered by Nvidia. Partnerships are another huge part of the $500 billion plan. Nvidia is teaming up with cloud providers, automakers, healthcare companies, and governments to spread its AI infrastructure everywhere. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google all depend heavily on Nvidia chips for their AI clouds. Tesla and other automakers rely on Nvidia for autonomous driving systems. Even national governments are negotiating directly with NVIDIA to secure AI compute capacity. That means Nvidia isn't just selling products, it's becoming a global infrastructure provider. But why so much money, and why now? The answer is competition. Nvidia knows the AI gold rush won't last forever. Companies like AMD are pushing new AI-focused chips. Google, Amazon, and Apple are all building custom silicon to reduce dependence on Nvidia. If Nvidia wants to stay on top, it has to scale so massively and so quickly that rivals can't catch up. By spending $500 billion, Nvidia is betting it can create a moat around the AI industry that no one else can cross. The impact of this plan reaches far beyond tech companies. Think about industries like medicine, energy, and transportation. With Nvidia's AI factories and chips, hospitals could run personalized AI models for patient care. Energy companies could optimize grids with real-time AI predictions. Cities could deploy autonomous fleets of cars, buses, and drones trained in Nvidia's simulated worlds. The ripple effects will touch every part of the economy. Of course, there are risks. A $500 billion bet assumes that AI growth continues at today's explosive pace. If demand slows, Nvidia could face massive overcapacity. There are also geopolitical challenges. The U.S. has already restricted exports of Nvidia's top AI chips to China, and global tensions could disrupt its expansion plans. And there's the question of dependence. If one company controls too much of the AI supply chain, what happens if that company stumbles? Still, it's clear Nvidia sees itself as more than just a chip maker now. It sees itself as the backbone of artificial intelligence. Just as Intel powered the PC era and AWS powered the cloud era, Nvidia wants to power the AI era. And with a $500 billion plan, it's signaling that it doesn't intend to share that crown. So here's the bottom line. Nvidia's plan is massive, risky, and game-changing. If it works, Nvidia won't just be the supplier of AI chips, it will be the most important company in the entire AI ecosystem, shaping how intelligence itself is built, trained, and delivered. If it fails, it will go down as one of the boldest overreaches in tech history. What do you think? Will Nvidia's $500 billion AI plan secure its place as the king of artificial intelligence, or are rivals like Google, AMD, and Apple ready to knock it off the throne? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.